How to create account in GrubHub. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the bottom, you can see the sign in option. Tap on sign in. Here there are different options like Google, Amazon and Facebook. So here I'm choosing Facebook. Now in order to log in with Facebook, you must have your Facebook application installed and your account installed too. So simply tap on continue and now it will be directly connected with your Facebook account. So it will take some time and it's getting loaded. So after that, the same username will be popped up and you can use it for later too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.